Have you ever taken out a window screen only to realize one side of the metal frame is bowed inward, leaving a gap where bugs can sneak in? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to fix this using just 3 wood strips, a spline tool, and your hands. No expensive tools needed. Here are 3 wood strips. 2 strips are placed on one side of the third strip, acting as outer supports. Bridge the bent frame piece across the gap between the 2 outer strips. Use the hands to clamp the third strip against the bent frame. The frame can bend outward into a straight line. But when I let go, it springs right back inward. Because aluminum has elastic memory, I need to bend the frame slightly past straight. That way, when I release it, it can spring back into a perfectly straight line. Right now, the screen is still attached to bent frame side, so I cannot really bend it past straight. To do that, I need to separate the screen from the bent frame side first. Take a flathead screwdriver and gently pry up the rubber spline at the corner of the bent side. Pull the spline out of the groove all the way down this side. Peel the screen mesh back off the frame channel. You don't need to take the whole screen apart, just this one side. Now the aluminum frame can move freely without the mesh pulling on it. With the screen detached, I can bend this frame side slightly outward past straight, then release. Do this in small, controlled squeezes, pull a little bit, release, and check the progress. Now it is a little bit better but still not straight. I notice that when the frame is bent past straight, the 2 plastic corner connectors have the risk to break. To avoid breaking the 2 plastic corner connectors, I found it more convenient to just remove the bent frame side completely and work on that single piece using the 3 wood strips. Now this frame rests flat on its own. Once the bent side rests straight without springing back, reattach it to the frame assembly. Lay the screen mesh flat over the groove. Here's a critical tip: do not pull the screen tight while rolling the spline back in. If you stretch the mesh too hard, that tension will just pull your freshly straightened frame right back into a curve. Keep the mesh flat and smooth, lay the spline on top, and use your spline roller tool to press the cord back into the channel. The spline itself will pull just enough tension to keep the screen taut without bowing the frame. Now the frame is perfectly straight. If you found this trick helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy home repair guides. Thanks for watching.